A 550-226-foot roller motor disassembly tutorial. Remove the 6 fixing screws for the lower leg cover and remove the lower cover. Remove the 2 fixing screws on the upper leg cover and remove the upper cover. Remove the 4 fixing screws on the upper cover of the lower leg, drive box, and remove the upper cover. Remove the 4 screws fixing the steel frame. Separation trachea. Unzip the upper and lower calf holsters. Unzipper lower calf holster. Detach the clasp and remove the lower calf holster. Refer to the left kneading cloth to remove the right kneading cloth. Remove the left and right screws. Remove the foot pads and the 2 screws on the left and right. Unzip the holster. Use tools to pry off the pins. Unzip the holster. Detaching holsters. Remove the 9 fixing screws. Separate harness plug-in. Cut the cable tie, separate the air pipe, and remove the top cover of the footrest base. Cut off the cable tie and separate the cable harness plug-in. Remove 6 fixing screws. Remove the grounding screw and remove the roller motor. Remove the 20 screws and remove the foot massage assembly.